I'm here, I'm breathing in and out. I have to move fast and I don't need to rest. I got no time to fear. I'm a solitary hunter. I got simple values and I know my place. It's 5 in the morning, you shoot me down with no warning, but I enjoy your bullets piercing me more than only human. I know we got us a devil. You supercharge me and electricize me. Your armor on my chest make me forget the rest. I got a secret you code. It makes me see with my eyes closed, sensing with the goosebumps. I got a secret remote, and I can move in the world where the saying go above my head. It was yesterday. What could I be instead? I feel it in my blood and my fingers, it makes me want more than I did the day before. Then I push the last floor. The light is unnecessary, already my hands are sweating. This is more than I can carry on tonight. I'm just fine. It's 5 in the morning, they shoot me down with no warning, but I enjoy your bullets piercing me more than only human. I know we got us a devil. You supercharge me and electricize me. Your armor on my chest make me forget the rest. I got a secret you code. It makes me see with my eyes closed, sensing with the goosebumps. I got a secret remote, and I can move in the world where the saying go above my head. It was yesterday. What could I be instead? When all the world is praying for civilization, there's something ancient in the way I love your tension. Cold, this dope. Even if I could now just start my own assassination. Your desire is the law of gravitation. Oh, I know. I got a secret you code. Makes me see with my eyes closed, sensing with the goosebumps. I got a secret remote.